Well guys, what's up? I know it's been a couple of weeks, maybe a little bit over a month that I posted a video. We just been really busy, man. Like, why even lie about it? We've been really busy. I have school like basically Tuesdays and Thursdays. Sometimes I don't even get to make it because we get done like right on time, but the customer still takes a while to get here, so it's a mess. But today we got this truck coming in. He's supposed to have a 3.5. So in the front, I believe it's a drop spring, a 3-inch drop spring. The customer hates the way it rides. He says it rides like shit. So I think he also has another problem with, let me see, you'll hear it. So we got that going on. And the flip kit, I think it's a trailer saddle again, which doesn't surprise me. So we're gonna be changing all that stuff out. He is gonna get the IHC flip kit. I'm gonna do a lip shackle that doesn't squeak. We're gonna be doing upper and lower control arms, and then we're just gonna set them at 3 inches. And we'll see how this one turns out. I also got the Moog outer tie rods and some new front shocks, and then we're also gonna have to take care of that notch, see what condition it's in, if we need to replace it or if it'll slide and we just leave it there. But yeah, that's exactly what we got going on today. And then we have a 2020 Ford also coming in. I believe it's a Nightmare edition or something like that. That one's also getting a drop. Calvert Racing traction bars, and also he brought his own helper bag kit, but he has the wireless one, so they got to get wired and everything, so he went all out on that one. So that's the one I'll be working on. I'm gonna let my guy handle this one, and then we'll see what else we got going on. But yeah, that's what we got going on for today. And then over there, got a brand new hood and a brand new grill, but that's a different story. I'll make a separate video for that one, either tomorrow if we're not too busy or during the week. But yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, so the third time was a charm. The first guy didn't come through. He was gonna come from out of town and we're supposed to swap springs, so he didn't come. And then the second guy, he either had cut springs or they were heated up, so the third one worked. So now he has new shocks, new control arms, they're set at 3 inches, and then new outer tie rods. He had already changed the inners, new ball joints, new bushings, and the same thing over here. I'm gonna put the wheels on, see how it sits, and then start working on the back. And then out here we have the Nightmare. I don't know why I was expecting a single cab, but it was a 4-door. And apparently these already come kind of dropped. They have drop shackles already, but it's like a 1-inch drop shackle. I didn't even know that existed, but okay. And it's also a 4x4, and I believe it has a drop spring here in the front. I'm gonna double check it right now whenever I take it apart, but it's gonna get basically a 4.6 drop. And he's also gonna do helper bags, and he brought a, I guess you could say, like a wireless kit that you can control with your phone. That way you don't have to like manually air it up. It has his own little compressor and everything. But that one's next right now. Just gotta finish up that red one, or I'll probably start working on this one right now. Just let them finish up the other one. But yeah, that's what we got going on today. So IHC helper bags, IHC kit, and little compressor thing. I forgot what brand it is. It might be like Airlift or something. I'll show you guys right now. Don't be shy. Let me see. Show me what you got. What is that? Turn it around.
Homemade right here.
Okay. Homemade customs. Take out the flip kit. Let me see. Pull it out. You need me to go up on the jack?
Yeah, go up a little bit. Alright.
Alright, take it out. Let me see that. Bro, what the fuck is that? You know what this is?
Homemade flip kit.
Homemade flip kit, but no, bro, this is a fucking trailer saddle. Like
The bushing wasn't even sitting sideways.
There was no bushing in that shock? What the fuck? No wonder he was complaining. Let me see. See, this is exactly why I don't use these shocks, bro. These fucking shocks are ass. Damn, that's horrible, dude. The other one completely came off.
Yeah, it's a small set.
Yeah, the problem with these flip kits is they besides the bad pinion angle that it gives you and the vibration, they fuck up your differential. Remember that truck with the camper that I told you about? Mm-hmm. Exact same thing, same flip kit. Fucked everything up. It's all good, man. We're gonna put a real flip kit on this truck.
Yeah.
They did flip the bolt or no?
No.
They didn't? Okay. Okay, Robert. There we have a bigger problem. That's why I told you to do one side at a time. You're gonna have to pick up the jack, and then we gotta flip the bolt. So get the clamps. Yeah, that's what I told you. Do one side at a time. So there's a flip kit and the other one. Trash. So on the Ford we got pretty much everything done. He didn't have a drop spring, it was still a stock spring. Right now it looks very high, but that's because we have a truck jacked up. So we're about to do the flip kit. Right now Ron is removing the inner sleeve for the bushing because he's also getting caltracs. I don't know, the exhaust looks like it might be in the way, it might not. So if it's in the way, we're gonna have to chop it up. So right now we're gonna do the whole flip kit. We have to flip the bolts, put the new sleeves in there, bushings, all that, and put the caltracs on, and the back will be ready. And then we're also adding helper bags to it. So the whole kit's in here. And he also did a airlift wireless system. So where is it? Oh, it's over here. So that one's gonna have to get wired up. Pretty cool. Has a whole wiring harness, hardware, all that's right here. So that's another 2-3 hours right there. So we'll see what happens. And we're probably just gonna finish that up today and call it a day for today. This one on the other hand is ready to go home. Put the whole drop on this one. Replace the shocks, the flip kit, and he got new lip shackles. And on the front we did upper and lower control arms, move outer tie rods, and we set it at 3 inches, so it's possible. Only right here at Static Drop Shop. So big shout out to Alex from Exclusive for hooking us up with some shackles, because this guy brought us drop shackles and that's not gonna work with the drop. Everything is pretty much done. The Adderley for the airbags is on. Caltrac brackets are on. And now we just gotta put all the suspension back on and then adjust the Caltracs, and he'll be good to go. And then mount the bag brackets and everything up, and the truck will be ready to go home. What's up? Water. Yeah, sure. All right, so right now we're getting the bags ready. The fittings are on. Everything's on. We got the Caltracs on. Truck's jacked up. We did have to cut a good amount off of the leaf spring. That way it doesn't touch or contact the actual bar. Everything's bolted up right now. We just got the helper back brackets on. So we're about to mount the whole bags and everything on right now. And then this is the the wireless kit that he has. Hey, we're almost ready. We're almost ready. We're almost ready. We're almost ready. Okay. Yeah, don't worry. We're almost ready.
Okay.
There you go, guys. IHC 4.6 drop kit with Cowboy Racing caltracs and the helper bag kit. We did have an issue. We couldn't mount that wireless back kit because of the size of the frame, so you might have to get like a custom bracket done or some extra holes made and then fish out the bolts and all that stuff. So I don't know. I don't really think he needed helper bags unless it's gonna like tow a fucking gooseneck, because the caltracs pretty much do all of the weight on it. But she came out really good. She looks good. And then well, for now he can still use the helper bags, and you just air them up right here, little fitting compartment. So that's it. And then we just got done with the OBS too, swapped out the shackles, and we are good and done for today. Check us out next time.